Hi guys, today we compare Nokia 10 PureView versus Realme GT6. The Nokia 10 PureView launched on November 2024 and the Realme GT6 launched on June 2024. The dimension is same, not much difference in both devices, and the weight of Nokia 10 PureView is 220 and the Realme GT6 has 199 grams. The build: Realme GT6 has front glass, plastic back and plastic frame. The Nokia 10 PureView is front and back glass and aluminium frame. The display of both devices: the Nokia 10 PureView comes with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The Realme GT6 is LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen 2, and the Nokia 10 PureView screen size is 6.72 inches and the Realme GT6 is 6.78 inches. And the screen resolution: the Realme GT6 comes with 1.5K and the Nokia 10 PureView is 2K screen resolution. Realme GT6 has 450 ppi density and the Nokia 10 PureView has 518 ppi density. The screen to body ratio: Nokia 10 PureView is 90.1% and the Realme GT6 is 91.8% screen to body ratio. The aspect ratio is 20:9 in both devices. The refresh rate of Nokia 10 PureView is 120Hz with 5000 nits peak of brightness and the Realme GT6 is 120Hz with 6000 nits peak of brightness. And the screen protection: Nokia 10 PureView come with Corning Gorilla Glass armor and the Realme GT6 is come with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. And the both device come with dual SIM, nano SIM card, dual standby, no headphone jack in both devices. The platform of these devices: the Nokia 10 PureView come with octa-core Cortex X5 and the Realme GT6 come with octa-core Cortex X4 CPU. The Nokia 10 PureView come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 3nm chipset and the Realme GT6 come with Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 4nm chipset. The GPU of Nokia 10 PureView is Adreno 760 and the Realme GT6 come with Adreno 735. The Nokia 10 PureView come with Android 15 operating system. The Realme GT6 come with Android 14 Realme UI 5 operating system. The benchmark score: Realme GT6 has 1.5 million score. The Nokia 10 PureView is not available in benchmark. The camera setup of these devices: the Nokia 10 PureView come with quad camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 64 megapixel telephoto with 3.2x optical zoom, 50 megapixel wide and 50 megapixel periscope telephoto with 5x optical zoom, with dual LED dual tone flash HDR panorama, and it record 8K 30fps video. The Realme GT6 comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel telephoto with 3x optical zoom and 8 megapixel ultra wide with dual LED flash HDR panorama, and it record 4K 60fps video. The selfie camera of the device is: the Nokia 10 PureView comes with 50 megapixel with HDR 4K 60fps video record and the Realme GT6 comes with 32 megapixel HDR with 4K 30fps video record. The memory of these devices: the Nokia 10 PureView comes with 12 gigs and 16 gigs of RAM and the Realme GT6 comes with 8 gigs, 12 gigs and 16 gigs of RAM. The internal storage of both devices is: Nokia 10 PureView is 256 gigs, 512 gigs and 1 GB of internal storage and the Realme GT6 is 256 gigs, 512 gigs of internal storage. No SD card, no nano memory card support in this mobile. The common and the features: Nokia 10 PureView has Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, Type-C, 3.1, 5G networking, fingerprint under display, stereo speakers, infrared port, UFS 4.1, wireless charging, IP68 and water and dust resistant, and SOS via satellite calls and messages. And the Realme GT6 Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, USB Type-C 2.0, 5G networking, fingerprint under display, stereo speaker, UFS 4.0, reverse charging and IP65 water and dust resistant. The battery backup: the Nokia 10 PureView comes with 5400 mAh battery with 120 watt fast charging and it supports 50 watt wireless charging. The Realme GT6 comes with 5500 mAh battery with 120 watt fast wire charging, no wireless charging in this mobile. The Nokia 10 PureView is price is not available at this time, and the Realme GT6 is $700. The points of Nokia 10 PureView is 25 and the Realme GT6 is 16 points.